dear lovely audience, this is Ripon in front of camera. So today I would like to talk about share my English therapy journey. Today our farewell day. This day is very important day for us because of we are finished our third month journey. When I was first month student, that time I thought, is it possible to within 3 months to fluently speaker like that I can speak English? That time I thought, but day by day, I'm improving. When I was first one student, that time teachers all time said, you just wait for your 89 days because of our journey 90 days. Today, this is the day is very special day for us because of today our farewell day. I am to say something. A new student, they are trying to learn English, how to improve their speaking English. So if you want to learning English, I prefer for you, you come and admit here. English therapy is the best in our Bangladesh